So today is day 2 of our chicks being in their incubator inside of their eggs. This is what it looks like inside of the egg right now. There are still 20 days and our chick countdown to hatching. And inside of our incubator, this is where they're all hanging out. There's 12 of them in there. You can see that they're sitting on something. That's called an egg turner. It makes sure that the eggs are rotated just like they would be if their mother hen was sitting on them. And we can look at our second day of our egg. When I open it up, you'll notice that it matches the picture up above. This is what it looks like on the inside of our eggs right now. So you can just start to see it looks a little bit different than yesterday when everything was all yellow. Now for today, there's that little bit of an embryo starting to form. As a just for fun activity today, I thought you guys could join me in a directed drawing about how to draw a baby chick. When you're all done, you can post a picture of it in the comments on Facebook. So for this activity today, you'll just need a piece of white paper and also some sort of black drawing utensil or whatever you have around. I'm using a Mr. Sketch crayon, but you can use a pen or a pencil, anything you have around.
Well, we're going to draw a baby chicken today, and we're excited to be back, aren't we?
Yes.
You excited?
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You have a marker and some paper. You ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're going to first start by drawing our chicken's eyes, and we're going to draw 2 circles, and we're drawing a cartoon version, right? So we're going to draw 1 circle and another circle right next to each other. Good job. And we drew them right in the middle of the paper. That way we have room for the head and the body. Now inside of these circles, we're going to draw smaller circles up in the top right corner. And then we're going to draw even smaller circles down in the bottom left corner. Okay, now let's color in the big circles, but leave these 2 little circles white.
Now remember, you can always pause the video.
Now
if
these
you
are
need
our
more
famous
time.
cartoon eyes. We like drawing these on every drawing, every
Yes.
cartoon drawing.
Yes.
Okay, now what should we draw next?
It's beak.
Okay, let's draw a beak. We're going to draw a V shape right in between the eyes. That's for the bottom of the beak. And then we're going to connect the top with a little curve. All right. Okay, now we're going to draw our chicken's hair. And it's going to be 3 little loops. Right in between his eyes, right above his beak. And a little higher. There we go. Good job. Now we're going to draw his head. And it's going to be a big circle that goes around. And back over to the right side. And you could draw it a lot bigger if you want. Okay, now we're going to draw his body. And we're just going to draw a little U shape underneath. If we ever go too fast, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video. Okay, now we're going to draw his little wings. And we're just going to draw a little U shape over here. And a little U shape over here. And if you want, you could draw him holding something. Okay, but let's draw his little feet. And we're just going to draw a small little, little U's down here for his little chicken feet. We did it. We finished our chickens. That was pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Now, we can put our markers down. What should we do next?
Color him.
Yeah, he's going to look way cooler once we color him. Now, we're going to use our oil pastels, but you guys can use colored pencils or crayons or even paint.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Let's do it right now.
Now.
Checkers, we did it. We finished our little chickens, and that was one of my favorite art projects because it was nice and easy.
Yes.
And it's
Mine too. I'm not joking.
It's a lot of fun. Now, you guys at home, I wanted to challenge you guys to finish the background, right? You could draw grass. You could draw some eggs back there.
Yeah.
Maybe you could even draw an egg with a chicken popping out of it. That would be awesome. And we hope you had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your own chickens. And we'll see you later, our friends. Yep.
Well, if you're anything like me, you probably needed to pause the video for just a minute in order to get that done. Here is my little chicken. I can't wait to see what yours looks like too. Have a great day.